Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to perform molecular docking based virtual screening using Molegro Virtual Docker. So Molegro Virtual Docker is actually a commercial molecular docking software, but you can get trial license by requesting by filled out a form which is present in their website. So first let's see how to get the trial license and how to install the software in your Windows system. So in this video, first of all, we will see how to install the Molegro Virtual Docker in your Windows system. Then we will perform molecular docking based virtual screening using the protein lactate dehydrogenase A and 5 approved drugs. Okay. So first type in Google Molegro Virtual Docker. Okay, so this is the link, this is the website. Click here and now you will see a request trial license. Click here, then you have to fill out a form. Okay, and you have to send this form, submit this form, and within approximately 1 week you will get a mail from the Molegro Virtual Docker developer and with a trial license and key to download the software. So I have already received the mail from them. So I am showing you this is the mail and this is the link from where you can download the software. So click here. So now they will ask for a password and this password is already present in my mail. So I am giving it the password and then enter. So it's now open and I am going to download the MVD for Windows system. It's now downloading. Now this is the setup. Double click here to install the software. It's now installing. Now I accept the agreement. Next. Now it's asking for the folder where the software will be installed. It's in program file Molegro MVD. If automatically a folder will be generated in your Windows C. Back. Don't create as next. Desktop icon. Always tick here. Create a desktop icon for Molegro Virtual Docker. Next. Install. It's now installing. Finish. So the software is now installed. Now I am opening the software and you can see here a message MVD expect a valid license with a license file extension. So I have already received this license and this license is present in my email. I have received a mail. So let's see. This is the license. Okay, download it. Okay. So now cut this MVD trial license and paste it to the folder which is present in C drive, program file 86. You know this is the location. Molegro MVD. Okay, and paste this trial license here. Continue. Now again try to open. Sorry, we have to keep this trial license in the bin folder. Now let's see. Okay, now it's opening. Okay, so this is the interface of Molegro Virtual Dock. Now we have to import our protein molecule and drug molecule into this workspace. So I have already downloaded the protein from the protein data bank and 5 approved drugs from the PubChem database. Now I am going to import this protein molecule and drug molecule into this MVD workspace. Okay. So first go to the file, then import molecules. So my molecules are present in desktop in docking folder, and this is the PDB ID for my lactate dehydrogenase. Open it. Now you can see a message where these are the cofactor water molecules and ligands which are attached with the protein molecules. So I want to remove these cofactor water molecules and ligands. So just toggle off this cofactor water and ligands. And you can also see the protein consists of 4 chains, and I only want to retain the chain A for docking. Okay. So also I am removing the other chains. Okay, so now only one protein chain is present and all the cofactor water and ligand molecules have been removed. So in Molegro Virtual Docker, you can see there is no need to use separate protein processing software. Already these features are available within the Molegro Virtual Docker for protein processing. Okay, so import now. This is the protein chain A. Now you have to prepare this protein molecule. Okay, prepare all protein, click and prepare. You can also select the tab preparation and protein preparation. Okay, and if there are any altered residues or mutated residue, you can optimize and change or correct the protein molecule from here. Okay, close. Now you have to detect the cavities. It's one of the most important features of Molegro Virtual Docker, because if you don't know the active site, so you can search the active site or cavities which are present in the protein molecules. So I am selecting detect cavities. So to highest 5 cavities you can select, or you can also increase the number of cavities, but I am only selecting the 5. Okay. So these are the 5 cavities which has been detected by Molegro Virtual Docker, and this is the largest cavity. Okay. So if you already know the position of your active site, so you can also choose to the XYZ dimension of the grid box. Now you can see the volume of these cavities, volume of the 5 cavities, and this is the largest cavity. So I am retaining this cavity and removing the other cavities. Okay. Now import your ligand molecules. Go to the file and import molecules again. I am importing these 5 ligand molecules. So molecule should be in HDF format, mole format or mol2 format. So these are the 5 ligands. Okay. there is no warning, so I am importing them. So ligand molecules have been imported, and you can see these are the ligand molecules. These are the ligand molecules. But now click here to prepare all ligands. Prepare. So ligand molecules have been prepared. Now it's time for docking. So click here the docking option and click docking wizard. Okay. Here you will see several options for docking. So first of all, you have to select all the ligands. These ligands will be docked within the binding pocket of this protein molecule. Okay. Then click here next. Now you can see that these are the center X, center Y and center Z dimension, and this is the radius of our grid box. But you can see the grid box is placed outside of this cavity. So you have to place the grid box surrounding this cavity. Okay. So I am changing the dimension, or you can simply define the grid box. You select the largest cavity surrounding which the grid box will be placed. So I am selecting this first cavity. Okay. Now you can see the grid box is present surrounding the cavity, and you can also increase the radius of this grid box. So I am just selecting it to 12. It's enough. Okay. Now click next, and this is the scoring function. So Molegro Virtual Docker use three different scoring functions: Moldog score, plant score, and region score. So it is one of the very good important feature of Molegro Virtual Docker, that you can rank your pose using three different scoring functions. So it will be helpful for selection of your best pose. Okay. So click next. Now these are the others options you can see. Okay. Maximal iteration, population size, etc. Click next. So others options are there, check them. Next. Now here you can see your output pose will be saved in MVD ML XML format. Better to select it as mol2 format. Okay, and this is your output directory. Your base poses and result will be saved in this folder. This folder is present in my documents, MVD data, and docking output. Okay, so now start the virtual screening by clicking here. The docking process has been started. It's now running. For each ligand as output, we will get 10 base poses. Okay, and also a Excel file where the result, you can see the result. Possibly it will be in text format. Then from text we can import it into the Excel for further visualization. So our docking process is now finished and closed. Now we can import the docking result here. Import docking result. So docking output, and this is the docking result. Open. Okay, so you can see the score, plant score, Moldov score, and Lian score of each ligand is showing. Here, top 5 poses is showing. So you can select these poses for visualization. So I am only selecting the best poses, or you can directly select here. Only show top 1 pose for each ligand. Click. So only the base poses will be shown here. Okay. So okay. So now these poses are present within these cavities. So now remove the cavity and also the constant, that means the grid box. And you can see this is the ligands. Remove this ligand from the workspace. Remove all ligands from the workspace and select the poses. These are the poses. And also you can remove the protein chain to see the dot poses. This is the first ligand, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, so you know the results have been already saved in our output folder. So we can further visualize this doc pose in other visualization software, and we can analyze this result. And also a result sheet in the form of a text file is also has been saved in our output folder. Okay, so go to the output folder, my PC, document, MVD data, and docking output. These are the doc posts which have already been saved here, and this is the docking result. It's present in text format. So you can open it in Excel. So I am going to show you how to open this result in Excel. First open it in text format. Okay, better to open it in Excel. So first open Microsoft Office Excel, then go to data, from text, and open MVT data, docking output, and all file. This is the docking result. Okay, import. So it's delimited. Next, you can see. So I am separating it based on the space and tab. Okay, next, finish. So it's present in Excel format. You can delete the unwanted portion. Delete. So this is the ligand number, ligand 1, and 5 poses of ligand 1. Okay, and this is the division of their binding energy. That means it is total binding energy. Then, sorry, this is their smile format of the ligand, the total binding energy, solvation energy, van der Waal. Okay, so you can analyze your result in Excel sheet, and also you can open your doc pose in other visualization software like BioVia Discovery Studio, because it is saved in Mol2 format. It will easily open in BioVia Discovery Studio. Okay. You can also visualize the interaction of your docked ligand with the protein molecule in MVD. Okay, so I am selecting here the ligand 5 for visualization of its interaction with the lactate dehydrogenase. I am also selecting the protein. Then I am clicking here the ligand map. Okay, now here click here show interaction. So you can see the ligand is interacting with the valine 30, arginine 98 and alanine 20 of the protein molecule. Okay, so you can also select here electrostatic interaction or steric interaction. These are the options. Zoom in, zoom out. These are the options. So you can also save the result here. You can also choose the ligand molecule, ligand 5, and also see the interaction. Okay, these are the interaction. Now you can save this workspace as image file. Okay, and you can also change the workspace, like go to the rendering and visualization setting dialog, go to the option rendering, and you can change the background color. Okay, so I am selecting it's white. Okay, and now you can see this is the background has been changed to white from black. And you can also change the protein molecules. So go to the rendering, protein, stick, ball and stick, wireframe, and color by ID, carbon only, etc. Secondary structure. Okay, and you can take the screenshot or you can save the page. Okay, high quality rendering. I'm saving it. So saving it as bitmap file in my desktop and save. So it has been saved now. So it's better to use other high quality visualization software for this purpose. Okay, because this features is basic in very basic in Molegro virtual docker. So better it to use for only molecular docking and getting the score of different ligands, and then further analyze the result with other visualization software. So that's all for today's tutorial about Molegro virtual docker. Okay, thank you for watching.